Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to put on a new profile picture for Instagram. It's a very simple and easy thing to do and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Just open up your Instagram, get the bot, click it for some reason, then go to your profile on the bottom right, and all you need to do actually just hold on to your profile picture here. And here you can change your profile photo. You can select new profile photo or import from Facebook or remove profile photo. I'm going to import mine from Facebook. Continue. Okay. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Let me just show you quickly. Bam. That's it. See ya.